Hari Om. My pranamas to all Atma Jyotis, divine light of the self. I welcome one and you all for today's storytelling session. Okay, before that, let us pray to God in you and me. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo, Maheshwaraha, Guru Sakshat, Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Hari Om. Today's story is about a cat. The cat name is Ego. Once there lived a disciple and a guru. The disciple used to go to the ashram and attend all the satsang and listen to his guru's words. But he was not serious. Just for time pass, he was going to the ashram just to escape from his work. So one day what happened? Even the guru know about him, but he can't help, so he kept quiet. So one day what happened? While coming to the ashram, this disciple, he got one kitten. So he brought that kitten to the ashram and asked the guru, I want to keep this kitten. Oh, you please name this kitten. So guru said, okay, keep the name Ego. Okay, he went away happily. He took that kitten to his home. So in his home, all his children, they were very happy. They were playing with this kitten. So many days passed. So after so many days, now this kitten has grown into a big cat. Now this cat was troubling a lot. Now this disciple, he want to get rid of this cat. So what he did, he put that cat in a bag. He boarded a bus. He went to the next village and left that cat there. And he was happy. So while coming home, he was happy. So, to his utter surprise, he could see the cat in his house. Before his arrival, the cat was there. So, what the cat mentality is, the cat won't leave that place. It won't forget that place. Wherever you leave that cat, it will come to the same destination. So, next day, what he did? Next day, he did same. He kept that cat on inside a bag. He boarded a bus. Now he went to a faraway village, 2-3 village, faraway village. So after going to that village, he left that cat and he came back. So again, to his utter surprise, the cat was already there in his house. So he thought, okay, now today I have to leave this cat in a very faraway place. Then only it would come again. So he kept that cat inside a bag. He went to a deep forest. He walked so many miles. So he went into a deep forest and left that cat there. So he was happy, he was coming. So what happened while coming? He forgot the way. Himself he forgot his way. So now no other option. So he called his cat, Ego, Ego, please help me. So the cat came. So the cat showed him the way. He came back home. So next day what he did? He took that cat to the ashram. He asked his guru, I want to get rid of this cat. He is troubling me a lot. So guru said, same with you, Ego. Ego is like this cat. You want to leave your ego, but within second again it will come to you. Before you realize that ego will come to you. So in the same way, if you get rid of your ego, then only you are eligible to know God. So Guru told, okay, leave this cat here, I will take care. So first you leave your ego, then only you are capable to realize God. So what is the moral of this story, children? So we should not be ego mind. We should be pure. Whatever work we will do with full sincerity, full concentration. You should have interest in that work, not like this disciple. So now this disciple realized what is his purpose. So we should not be egocentric. We should be always loving and compassionate. Okay, hope you like this story, children. Before that, let us do end prayer. Asatoma Sadgamaya Tamasoma Jyotirgamaya Mrityorma Amritangamaya Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. हरि ओम।